Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 112. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 2, 8. 8 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 5. No help here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got the 2 here, so 6, 8. 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. And no help here, so 6, 8. We look at this bottom row, we're missing 2, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so 1, 7. 3, 5, and 7 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 7. This 2 makes this our 3, so this is our 5. That 3 makes this our 8, 2, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, and with that 8, we can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this top row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 3, 6. 6 and 8 here. So this is our 3, that makes this our 6, 8. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 9, 6, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so 4, 7. 8 and 9 here, so 4, 7. 4, 7, and 8 here, so this is our 9. And the 8 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. The 3 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. So 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 7. 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 4, 7. That 7 makes this our 4, 7, 4, 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.